Hey, Alex here with Maple Systems. Are you looking for a high-performance HMI with the full power of EBPro behind it? Then you'll want Maple Systems' newest 7-inch HMI, the cMT3072XH3. Let's get into it. The cMT3072XH3 features our most powerful CPU yet for an HMI, a Quad-Core RISC Processor, which allows you to run your EBPro project and a CodeSys project on their own processors. This is also our first 7-inch HMI with Wi-Fi capabilities. It features a slot for the cMT Wi-Fi adapter, a discrete microSD slot, and a second USB Type-A port, allowing you to expand your HMI I/O without needing to add any additional screen real estate to your cabinet. This HMI also comes built to stand up to temperatures between 32 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 55 degrees Celsius, as well as vibration endurance up to 25 Hz and an IP66 rating on the front panel. This means that the cMT3072XH3 will stand up to many very rugged industrial environments. The cMT3072XH3 also comes backed with the usual flexibility and power of our free HMI programming software, EBPro, allowing you to connect all of your devices with minimal latency and no programming headaches. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the unit. So, right off the top, we've got our usual Maple Systems warranty. We've got a nice little installation guide to help you get started with your new HMI. And we've got the HMI itself. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from its anti-static wrap. And here, you can see on the bottom, we have 2 serial ports for usual serial connection. We have a dedicated micro SD card slot, as well as 2 USB Type-A ports and 2 Ethernet ports. Then, if we move it to the back here, we've got our usual power connector terminal, we've got a slot for the battery, and the same slot is going to be for an optional Wi-Fi module, which you can purchase separately. That would simply hook on right there, like so. And then you would have this antenna to be able to connect to any sort of Wi-Fi signal. You'd configure that in the system settings of the cMT itself. But yeah, I'll set this down here. You also get some mounting screws included with the HMI and a screen protector, like so. But that's everything that's in the box. Let's go ahead and power it up. All right, so I've got the unit out of its box, and I've got a power supply hooked up to the terminal block right here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And just like that, you have power. You can exit here, go to the usual project, and we can poke around and all the various HMI things. Well, that wraps up everything for today. Remember, if you need a high-power HMI with Wi-Fi capabilities, the cMT3072XH3 is a great choice. If you thought this video was informative, we'd appreciate it if you gave us a like, and while you're down there, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when we make more videos just like this one. If you'd like more information on the cMT3072XH3 or our full line of industrial HMIs, visit maplesystems.com or reach out to our sales team at sales@maplesystems.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.